Are you in need of a professional long-distance moving company in Texas? Introducing Texas Movers Group. One of the best moving company for long distance. You can request a moving quote through our website at any time. We work to provide and build the most accurate estimate possible, and provide you a detailed moving plan. Our services are available both online and offline. Sunday to Friday from 8 a.m. to 6 p.m., and on Saturday from 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. Our prices are affordable and have diverse services to meet your different demands. We only work with professional movers and best drivers. To ensure every item is being taken good care, our timely deliveries and rigorous quality check makes us the best. For any query, please visit our website www.texasmoversgroup.com or call us 866-444-5125. Texas Movers Group. Families move.